Hello again and welcome to another Handy Dan video. We sketched this up in SolidWorks. I'm not going to bore you with all the sketching details. There's the dimensions, and this other side was just mirrored off the center. And then we extruded that about 0.2 inches. This is going to be a holiday light hanger. I didn't want to drill holes in my house, just had it painted. So this is a clamp-on style. You can follow along in the video and I'll show you at the end how it mounted. So we're saving this as an STL for the 3D printer. And we're going to open up the 3D printer Cura software. We're going to place this part and make a couple copies of it. This design is kind of a little spring tension that clamps over the soffit. My house has 2x6 soffits, so this will clamp right around the edge. I like to just drag these to the front of my bed. My bed seems to print better at the front. It does have auto leveling, but doesn't quite work. Let's make a few extra copies here. Oh, that one's sideways. We'll use this one, and guess I'll delete this one. We'll prepare that. It still has fuzzy skin from my last print, so I'll turn off fuzzy skin here. And we'll re-prepare. Okay, just an hour and 20 minutes. Go ahead and check through the layers here. There's the first layer set in. It all looks pretty good. Okay, we'll save that. Come right off the bed. No elephant's foot. I set the bottom layer inset, 0.04. Just pop right off. There's Bo.